Hey guys, how you doing? Happy and blessed Sunday. I hope everybody is doing well. We are starting meal prepping. We are starting meal prepping for this week and getting everything underway. So guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abia. The type of videos that I put on my channel is weight loss journey, meal prepping, clearly. I talk about mental health. I post vlogs. I just try to have like a positive channel over here and uplifting each other. Okay. If you enjoy this content, I would appreciate that you definitely come back to the channel. If you are, newbie here and you're not already subscribed, I ask that you do subscribe to the channel as well too. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So today is going to be meal prepping. We're going to be meal prepping breakfast, lunch, and snacks. So for our breakfast, it's going to be simple. It's pretty much going to be the same thing I had last week. It's going to be hash browns. This time I'm going to do eggs, at least egg whites. I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on that. I'm going to do some turkey bacon that I have left over. I only have 4 strips of turkey bacon left over, so we want to finish that off. And then I am going to be fixing some sausages with that. So that's going to be breakfast. Oh, sorry guys. That's going to be breakfast. And then for our snacks, we're going to be having our yogurt with our granola. You already know. And then for my second snack, I am changing it up a little bit. I'm going to do some pretzels with some cheese. I actually bought some mini pretzels, and then I bought some American cheese. So I like to have a snack that is sweet and salty at the same, well, not at the same time, but depending on my day and what I'm feeling like. Sometimes I like snacks that are salty and sometimes I like snacks that are sweet. So I always like to make sure that I have options in the event, I'm feeling a particular way on that day. Now for our lunch, I'm going to be doing kind of like chicken and sauce with peppers. I saw a recipe on Pinterest and I was like, oh, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to actually add some extra ingredients to it because I felt like it needed more color to it. So we're going to do some roasted peppers. We're going to do some green peppers, some onions, some ginger. Everybody is going to get thrown in the pot and we're just going to hope that it turns out good. I'm going to do that with some brown rice as well too at the bottom. And then we're going to make like a kind of like a brown sauce, I guess you can say, that we're going to use to marinate the ground chicken. Oh, my protein is going to be ground chicken, guys. Do not sleep on ground chicken. I know probably, honestly, I really didn't know about ground chicken and the benefits of it prior to my weight loss journey. But guys, ground chicken tastes so freaking good. If you season it up really, really well, it honestly tastes really good, and you can have it as like your sauce for like your spaghetti. Sometimes you don't want to do beef or something, so that is a great alternative if you're looking for something that's high in protein. That's everything that we're going to be meal prepping for today. Right now it is 10:01, so I'm hoping to be done by latest 12 o'clock, 12:30, the latest. I don't see any reason why I should not be done by that point. I already got the oven here on and it's getting heated up so we could put our sausages and our turkey bacon in there. I'm going to start off with breakfast first. You know the regular, how I do my videos, guys. If you've been watching, I'm going to start off with breakfast first, then we're going to go into snacks, and then we're going to do lunch last, and then I'll come back and close out the video. So guys, that is it. I hope that you do enjoy. If you do have any questions about any of the ingredients that I am using in my meal prep, if you just want to know maybe the benefits or something, then post it down below and I'll definitely come back and answer your questions. All right guys, I am going to get started and put you guys down. Again, I hope that you do enjoy. Hey guys, so I am done with meal prep now. We got our breakfast done, our snacks done, our lunch done as well too. It is 12:30 on the dot. I still need to wipe down the stove and wash a pan and a lid, but outside of that, everything is done. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, I appreciate that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, you hit the notification button, hit the share button. God willing, I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you treat yourself kindly. Make sure you treat each other or other people that you know kindly as well too, and God willing, I will see you guys in the next video. Do I normally end it that way? I'm not even 100% sure. Make sure you treat yourself kindly and make sure you treat others kindly out there in those streets. That's what I normally say. All right guys, I'm tired. All right, I will talk to you later. Bye.